I'm excited to introduce ageLOC Tru Face Peptide Retinol Complex. It delivers remarkable benefits to help rejuvenate skin and slow the signs of aging, all in a unique formula that's actually gentle on your skin. That's something you just don't see in most retinol products. In fact, it's gentle enough that most people can begin using it nightly without having to worry about building up a tolerance. So you may be wondering, once you get your hands on this product, what is the best way to integrate it into your evening skincare routine? Well, I'd recommend starting your routine with ageLOC LumiSpa IO, a fan favorite device that both cleanses and beautifies your skin and is suitable for all skin types. And when I say fan favorite device, I'm talking about myself. I was able to test one of the early prototypes, and when the trial period was over, I begged to keep it. I love my LumiSpa IO, and if you haven't used one, you'll love it too. Next, just sweep on the Nu Skin toner of your choice. My favorite is Nutricential's In Balance pH Balance Toner because it's a lightweight formula that helps hydrate skin. Just remember, if you choose a toner that contains hydroxy acids, you'll need to slowly ease into this combination of hydroxy acids and retinoids to avoid skin irritation and sensitivity. Next, apply ageLOC Tru Face Peptide Retinol Complex. This product is a powerful formula with two different retinoids, retinol and a retinoic acid ester, plus a peptide that boosts the benefits of retinol. What's so remarkable about this product is you get all of the skin benefits of retinol and more without the common irritating side effects. If you want to go a step further and really boost your benefits, follow up with ageLOC Tru Face Essence Ultra. This luxurious serum can really amplify your visible results when combined with Peptide Retinol Complex. As the final step, apply your favorite Nu Skin moisturizer. We offer a wide variety from lightweight gels to thick, rich creams and everything in between. We recommend using ageLOC Tru Face once daily in your night regimen. And because retinol can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, we further recommend limiting your sun exposure, particularly during the first few weeks of use. And as always, make sure to apply sunscreen every morning. I hope you've enjoyed learning just how easy it is to add ageLOC Tru Face Peptide Retinol Complex to your nightly regimen. Get yours today so you can start seeing dramatic results for yourself.